Right, so I've got the passenger seat out now, as well as the sunroof. I've got a small hole there, and I've got another issue here where the chassis is underneath the car. So it's nothing major. I'm probably just going to jack it up and weld it from the outside. I've had a quick look, the brake lines are in the way, so I'll probably just move them out of the way and get it patched up from the outside, clean this from the inside. If I need to do it from this side, do it from this side as well, but for the most part it just needs welding on the outside where the chassis is. I don't really need to throw it on the ramp to do that. If I did, I'd probably be blocking where I need to weld anyway. But so yeah, it's nowhere near. Look at the sill on this side, the inner sill, not one hole in comparison to the other side. Amazing. And there you go. At least that bodes well for the workload on this side. Hopefully I'll be able to get this side matched up to this side pretty quick. Fingers crossed. If we can get it done before the weekend, I will do. If not, it's looking like a weekend before I'll be able to jack it up and get it plated out. But yeah, happy days, just cracking on with it. As I say, got the sunroof out. I think once I've done the floor, I'll concentrate on getting the sunroof sorted, or the roof sorted, because I've put some plastic sheeting over the hole. I don't really want to start tearing it off, putting it back and all that when I'm not actually ready to do the roof. So you can see it's all, I hope you can see anyway, it's all, this bit of it, it's hard to see because of the light, but yeah, you can see there it's all waved. So I'm going to have to flatten all that out, panel beat it. The same with the other spots, but now that the sunroof's out, the glass, it should hopefully help me get the oil canning out. I am planning on putting some ribs across here. I'm going to get them out of another donor vehicle and use some Tiger Seal or windscreen glue and get those in to add a bit of strength to the roof skin. It's far from the factory, it's far too thin, but I guess Renault were trying to cut down on the weight, but I think they should have maybe reinforced the roof a little bit better. I think it wouldn't have may have paid to the common fault of the sunroof leaking. It's just too heavy for the gauge metal, so you're always going to get bowing and warping and what have you. So anyhow, definitely on now. But yeah, that's how far we are on the passenger side. Catch up soon.